It's 7:15 a.m. in Glendale, Arizona, suburban Phoenix. Getting ready for my ride. Lights on for safety, wearing bright colors to be seen by people in cars. I should be pretty safe out there, but I really can't recommend this for everyone. I ride alone, and I've spent a lot of time alone. I'm used to this. I call it being a solitary man. And that's what I'm thinking about this morning. I'm also thinking that it's kind of chilly and cloudy, and there's nothing between me and the elements. But I've done this before. I know what to do. Let's ride. I'll show you what I'm looking at. This is Desert Cove Road, and while it's not particularly dangerous out here, it's good to be aware that there are dangers. The biggest danger, of course, is getting hit by a car. So I get up real early and stay on the back roads, and I'm just me, all by myself here. And it's a balance. If you prefer to ride in groups with people, then this is probably not a very good place for you to be. It's going to annoy people in cars. You're going to get in their way. And even if they don't hit you, they're still going to wish you weren't there. But I'm not in anybody's way during my morning rides. I'm small and I stay along the edges. I've been an urban hiker all of my adult life, and it's only very recently that I realized that I have some advantages. I'm a well-made man of number one size, and I look hard and bony. And yes, I am quoting Jerem K. Jerem. And that gives me some protection. People leave me alone. But don't get me wrong, I may be a solitary man on the trike, but I'm not alone out here. There are people in these houses around here that are my friends, that would help me out, and sometimes have. I carry a cell phone for emergencies, and this is Arizona, so you never know who's carrying what, if you know what I mean, and I think you do. I only took karate long enough to learn the most important lesson. Don't get into a fight. I just love being out here. I have no schedule, I come and go as I please, and I am really spoiled because I've been doing this all my life. I realize that most people like to get together in big groups, but I've never liked that. I like being a solitary man. And the women in my life have given me the space to do this. Thank you. Okay, we just passed Sunnyside and we're headed up towards Cactus Road. I often wondered what life would be like for me after 40 or 50 or 60. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. This is kind of nice. Hang on, it's time for me to ease on over to the other side of the road, check my mirrors, look over my shoulder, and I'm good to go. Okay, we're coming up on a major road. This is Cactus Road, so I get up onto the sidewalk. Perfectly legal this way and much safer. Those cars are going pretty fast up there. It's time for me to stop, do a pit stop, get some coffee, relax for a little while, then I'm going to hit the road again. Thanks for riding along with me. See you next time.